Please subscribe and tap the bell not to miss exciting videos from home#life. Namaste and welcome to the very first episode of our house to home series, and we are starting up with the master bathroom renovation process and a huge makeover we did in our master bathroom. Now the question is why I am starting the series with a bathroom renovation video. I have noticed that I didn't share a single bathroom related video on our channel, like bathroom organization, cleaning, decor. So I thought I will start with this bathroom renovation and makeover video. When we first saw this bathroom, we decided immediately it has to go. I mean, look at the flooring, at the tiles, all stained, broken. The wall has ruined completely because of the seepage. Toilets, basins, everything was in a very bad condition. We started with breaking up the walls and removing all bathroom fixtures. If you are planning to start a renovation process in your home, before starting have a verbal as well as a written communication with your contractor. Trust me on this, you will be having less headache. Another thing I would like to share, if you are renovating your bathroom, make sure to change all these existing old wall pipelines as well as floor pipelines or sewerage pipelines on the bathroom floor. But digging up your bathroom floor can be really scary. See this koile ka pahar? Yes, we removed the coal filling and put brick at the bottom of the floor. Then the next step we took was to decide the layout of the bathroom. This wall I will use it as a storage unit, and mirror will be there, and basin will be there. Renovation means you need to keep in mind all existing pipelines like inlet, outlet pipelines for basin, commode, bath area. I will definitely suggest do not go for many chipping of the pipeline. Just see how smoothly you can change the existing layout. We decided to have separate dry and wet area and change the position of the wash basin from that wall to this wall. Also, do not forget to ask your electrician to change the existing electrical connections according to your layout or according to your design before starting the tile work for the wall. Now when it came to tile selection, after a long search, after visiting so many shops, finally we have chosen this one. Right after seeing this combination, I just fell for it and started to position them for our master bathroom space. I wanted to have a highlighter wall for our master bathroom where I will keep storage unit with wash basin and countertop, a separate highlight section for bathing area. So as per my design, I asked our civil work person to fix these tiles on different positions, and I must say he did a very good job. Before starting the flooring, do not forget to discuss for waterproofing with your civil guy. If you waterproof your bathroom floor, then you can avoid upcoming seepage problems from your downstairs neighbors. In the next video, I will share the interior design tips, tricks and a complete bathroom tour. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like the makeover. love to hear from you how you like this renovation. If you have any question regarding this makeover process or the material we use, let me know in the comment section below, or even you can mail me separately. Do not forget to subscribe to Home #Life. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Mama, your bathtub रहेगा.
हाँ, bathtub रहेगा.